Hello, my name is Monique Braz Sirovi, and I'm from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I came from a family that always taught me the importance of education to make an impact in the world. Therefore, I've always studied in the best schools in São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro, always engaging myself in projects such as science fairs and talent shows and extracurricular projects to help the community around me. Um, I've participated in NGOs such as CISV and Teto para Meu País, and I believe going to a university abroad will help me get some skills and learn abilities that will be important to achieve my goal, that is to improve the world we live in with people and for people.